wasting time. We gotta get back to the portal now. Come on, man. You seriously do like the Nether, don't you? Look, we'll come back to the Nether, I promise. But not right now. We're stuck in the Nether. We have to repair the portal. Ah, hey there, mate. What the heck were you doing here? Well, that's a weird piglin looking there. Hey, guess what? Piglin, they're nice people. They don't really do anything much interesting enough. Well, they give stuff. They trade some stuff. I guess that's the only thing they can do. Wait. Flint. Wait, we still might have a chance. We still might have a chance. Probably. Alright, getting the NPC right here. Oh yeah, there's gold right here. Alright. Nope. My gold. Okay. I'm just gonna try and... Oh, hey mate. Okay, I might have to find some gold. Probably. It has to be around this section here. Oh. Okay. It all links up. These vibes always link up. Okay. Gonna take some mushrooms, I guess. Yeah, pretty much promising. Yeah, just take some mushrooms. 2 mushrooms, pretty much fine. Alright. We really, seriously do need to... Sorry. Find some gold. Oh. There you go, mate. Do you want me to try this guy? I don't have enough gold. I'm sorry, mate. You could take some if you like. Oh, you can take netherite. Some. Sorry, not netherite. Netherite's really hard to get. Alright, we don't have enough time. We have to get back to the portal this instant. Come on. And I wish fire resistance was helpful, but that one had very less time, so I don't know, mate. I don't know at all. Alright. I'm taking this guy right here. Okay. Here we are. We are all safe and sound. Now it's time to light up the portal. I don't know if these guys know how to build a bridge. You know what? These guys, they look more like they're inflammable, so they can't be damaged by lava. They can walk around in lava, so they can be look like a terrible thing. Alright, stand by, guys. I'm just gonna create a shield. I don't want it to create a big explosion, hopefully. Let's just hope it doesn't make a big explosion, otherwise it will be a big problem. Okay, I built a shield. Ladies and gentlemen, I built a shield, and I ran out of blocks. No, never mind, I gravel. It's fine. Alright, I've built a shield. Now, let's hope this thing doesn't blow up. Alright, count of 3, guys. 1, 2. It worked! It worked! We finally did it! We lit up the portal. Alright, this lodestone. Bye, mate. Okay. Bye, mate. We don't even need you. And probably will not need some gravel. We don't even need those stuff. We don't even need leather at all. And we probably don't need the another brick stuff. We don't even need these things. All we will need is these things. All of these stuff that we all need the most. We need these. Probably we might not need it, but I'm just keeping it all here. Keeping it all with me. And then finally, this block. Blackstone. So useful. We don't even need the quartz. Just get rid of the quartz. Alright. We don't even need the piece of flint. Bye bye, flint. We don't need you. Alright. Let's get out of here. Oh. There's the Nether. Okay, cool. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's get in there. Oh, man. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa. Whoa, you alright, mate? Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, oh, man. Man, you just gave me a fright right there. Whoa, this is a weird, strange portal there. That's a bit strange. No target matched? Not target matched? What? Alright, you stay there, bud. I'm getting the NPC right here. NPC? NPC? He's gone. He's actually gone. Glitched up portal. Strange. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe. And, yeah, see you guys next video. Bye. Ooh! Saw that. Hey! It's a little square thingy. Alright. See ya. Bye. I'm sinking into this dinner sphere.